Excel 10, correcting your prices. If you made a chart like this and turkey wasn't the major item, let's say your stuffing, you figured it was $1.20 a pound, an ounce, you'd have a chart that looks like this. Stuffing is way too much. So maybe it's a little hard to sort out. Let's build out this spreadsheet a little bit more and make it do all the work you need. Okay, we can come up with the store price. These are labels you'll need to add. And the unit of measurement. Oops. And the price per unit. Sometimes the unit is a pound, sometimes it's an ounce, sometimes it's just a count. And I'm going to have a specific source, we'll just call it vendor. Okay, so who are you getting it from? Now some of these are easy. You need 18 pounds of turkey. So you're going to buy an 18-pound turkey and it's $1.99 a pound. So that's already figured out for you. All you need to do on this case is to specify. I go to the spreadsheet again, opening up the Thanksgiving prices, and I'm just going to select the label, Albertsons Butterball Whole Turkey. Okay, it ranges from 10 to 22 pounds, so I can buy an 18-pounder. This is realistic. And I'm going to go over to the vendor and paste it. Wrong one, try it again. Select, just the name, copy, and paste. Okay, no need to figure out the price per unit. We know it. It's $1.99 per pound. Now, I didn't format this, did I? I think these should all be formatted. Column I is all money, so it should be formatted format cells, currency, 2 decimal places. The price will also be in money, so let's format that now. I'm just clicking on the header in the column, format cells, and it's going to be currency, 2 decimal places with a $sign. Okay, so that's easy. It's $1.99 a pound. That's what I put in there. I'm pretty safe about that. The stuffing, not so much. Let's look. I'm going to pick a stuffing here. So I'll go down to sweet potato, blah, blah. There's the stuffing. I like Mrs. Cubberson seasoned. I'm just going to select that first line, copy it, and paste it. Now, it says 10 to 12 ounces. Just use the larger number. So there's 12 ounces, cost us $2. Let's let the computer figure out how much that is per ounce. It's $2 for 12 ounces. I'm not going to put in the OZ, just the number. How much is that per ounce? And I'll have the computer figure it out. First thing that goes in the cell, if it's going to do something, is equal. We want the price per, that's the slash mark, unit, 12. That means if it's $2 for a 12-ounce box, then each ounce is 17 cents. We had figured out it was $1.20. That's not even close. So I'm going to change that to 0.17. And this is more realistic. Stuffing is a big expense, but not enormous. And we're also giving people a lot of dressing. But we'll just stick with these original numbers. I'll try one more with the cranberry sauce. Let's see. Come back over to cranberry sauce. I saw it on the list. There we go. I'm just going to go with ocean spray, copying the first line. It's copy that. Cranberry sauce, I'm going to paste it. And it's $1.50 for 14 ounces. It's $1.50 for 14 ounces. This would be the same formula. It equals the price divided by the units. Don't put in the numbers, put in the cells, because if these change, the calculation will change, everything will work. 11 cents, that's cheaper than what I figured over here. In fact, since I'm calculating this, I could change it, couldn't I? Instead of just something I have to type in, I could say it equals this price per unit. And automatically everything adjusts. Okay, I want you to do the same with potatoes and the bread. Pie is pretty straightforward. It's you need one pie. It's either $6.99 or whatever the other one was. So go through and use the computer to figure out your prices and refine them. You should get proportions pretty close to this, unless you went with the really expensive turkey or the really cheap turkey. There's a lot of reasons that might be different. Go through and figure out your accurate prices and make the computer do the work. Remember, tell it to use the cell, not just a fixed number. Because I may come back tomorrow and say, you know what, the Albertson seasoning is half price. So you just put in the half price and everything will change.